Sometimes it's the small things that you use every single day that you appreciate the most. If you're a person that texts all day long, your phone is just stuck in your face all day and all you're doing is texting people, writing comments, writing messages, emails, and then all of a sudden you get this amazing new update to your keyboard. It's gonna affect you every day because you're on that little tiny meaningless keyboard constantly. And that's the way I feel about variable ND filters. As weird as that sounds, I know it's not the most popular hot topic in the world, and Freewell has a brand new one, and spoiler alert, I think it's my favorite ND filter that I've ever personally owned. I've been testing it out for like the last, I don't know, 3 weeks or so, and it's fantastic. All right, we're working with the Sony ZV-E1 and the brand new Sony 16mm f1.8, which is one of my favorite lenses ever already. We're vlogging with the Freewell VlogPod, which is probably my favorite small miniature vlogging tripod. And of course, the Freewell Real Variable ND. We gotta come up. I love this variable ND filter system. I love all your guys' filters, but you guys should have hired me to name this thing. The Real Locking Variable ND filter kind of just sounds like a description of what it is. I can come up with something in like 3 seconds. 3, 2, lock view. Freewell lock view variable ND. It's time to lock in. Have your people call my people. Or we could just, you know, continue to email like we've been doing for the last 5 years or so. Either way works. I'll send you the name, I'll send you the slogan. $1 million, you're getting off cheap. Patent pending is pending. So it's a pending patent pending. You know, we could even probably get Trey Taylor's dad as a sponsor.
He said, lock 'em up.
Oh, man.
Lock 'em up.
All right, so we're in S-Log 3. We are at our base ISO and we are manually white balanced. The 3 to 7 stop, because it's a super bright, clear, there's like almost no clouds in the sky right now. This is a super clear, sunny day. So the 3 to 7 was not enough to be at my proper shutter speed and an f1.8 aperture. But we have that stackable filter system where we can stack an ND32 on top of the 3 to 7, and that gives us the range of 3 to 10 stop. And then on top of that, we can stack the quarter snow mist filter, which I'm a big mist filter kind of guy. Let me show you what it looks like and how fast it is to remove the ND32 and the snow mist filters. Boom, just like that. But as you can see, we are still way overexposed, and then we are going to reapply. Boom, and we're right exactly where we need to be. Is that not perfect? Look how fast that was. So we have a nice carrying case. We have a filter ring for the filter to lock onto. We have the filter itself, and we have an ND32 that you could either use by itself or, like I said before, stack it on top of the VND and get yourself even more reach out of your variable ND. And depending on which package you get, you can pick yourself up a snow mist filter that can go on top of all of those filters. Now, my personal opinion, if you're gonna go with one of these filter systems, you're gonna wanna go with an 82mm filter. Even if your existing lenses are a 72mm, 77mm, 67mm, you never know, down the line, you might pick up a lens with an 82mm filter thread, and then you're out of luck if you have a filter that's too small. But if your filter is bigger, all you have to do is apply one of these simple little step-up rings, leave it on the front of your lens, maybe buy one ring per lens that you have in your kit that you actually use, and then boom, on and off, it just clicks to every lens within a second. And then your ND filter itself is gonna get its own cover cap, and on the inside of that cover cap is a nice little gray card and a little white balance card that you can hold up in front of you. And I thought that was kind of thoughtful. You're always gonna have it if you decide to use it with your VND. And then when you pull it off in any situation, you could just hold it up next to your face, get your balance right, and you're good to go. This locking system here, this needs to be, Freewell, I know you're listening, this needs to be your standard moving forward. Your VNDs, you need to make like a year or two release of an update of this system and just keep trying to improve upon it, make the design better, even though it's amazing already. This is what you need to be doing. Please don't go back to the magnetic setup. This locking system is the way to go. Thank you guys for watching. I will leave links to this VND in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. Thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. I will see you guys next time. Salute.